solo, man.
Jongen, kom op. Hij durft niet. Hey, wat is dat?
The world is all friggin' twirled. Look at all the criminality, yo, we can sanity. What have we done? I'm walking the street on the ground, I see a baby, he says American war in North Korea. I think everybody's diarrhea, then I walk past the kid. I see the this or something that he did. Then I see a man on the ground, screaming in pain. It looked he has been slain. I looked at his face, he was crying about visiting the holy place. I walked to a cafe, see people find us, so I run away. I begin to cry about all the people that die or doesn't have a good life anymore because of cat robbers for a robber in the store. It wasn't crazy, they will never be lazy, but they are using guns to protect, but they will never show respect to all those black people out there. They are not aware, they always use them as a garbage can. Yeah. No respect for another skin tone, and hope that they will be tortured to the bone. Cause if we look back in American history, what do we see? Right, we see Martin Luther King, he was trying to bring what Obama did for him. It was like, I have a dream, he was willing to scream.